Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Mandy J and I'm back with another amazing video. So if you're new and you're not subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe. What are you waiting for? You better subscribe and don't forget to turn on your post notifications so you'll be aware every time I post, and be part of the MJ gang, the besties. And to all my besties who are returning to watch another video of mine, thank you for coming back. You guys are the real MVPs and I love you guys so much. So I'm starting this vlog quite late. It's a vlog, it's a couple of days in my life vlog, so you guys will see what I am up to from today till whenever I decide to stop the vlog. So today is Thursday and randomly decided to go and eat outside because I'm craving the food from outside, and I asked Mandy if we could eat out and he was like yeah, so that's what we're gonna go eat outside. And then tomorrow I'm going for work. Saturday I have to meet my sister to collect something from her. It's a surprise. I'm going to show you guys that later and maybe in the next vlog. And then what else do I need to do? We're going to watch a movie. John is coming out tomorrow, so we're going to watch it on Saturday, and then Sunday there's church. So I think I'll end the vlog on Sunday because this vlog has to be up on Monday, so we need to get back to our schedule of uploading on Monday. That's the main reason why. And I would like to say thank you to everyone who's following me on Instagram and who has followed me on Instagram from this platform. I'm more active on my Instagram, so follow me on Instagram at Mandy_J98 for all the good content, the reels, the photos, and the conversations where I chat with most of you guys. I'm so happy. I did pull up a poll, a question tag post, yeah, of where you guys responded with great love, and I enjoyed answering those questions. So some of the questions that were asked, I'll make videos of them. Anyways, I've rambled too much. We're going to get water now and then go eat, and then come back home. I have to sleep and be up early in the morning tomorrow. So I'll see you guys later. Hey guys, so we're currently at Barbecue Nation. We're here to have some food. I don't want to talk much because of the music, as you can hear, that is out. You guys enjoy the montage that's going to happen from now. My date is always on the phone. Nothing.
Oh, I don't know. In fact, it came in my mouth like a message I just reached. I watch the TV. I lie down watch the TV. It's out, baby. 1st April is coming soon. Let's go. Book the cab. I'm getting up from here after you book the cab. Not before. Book the cab, man.
Good morning guys, I hope you are doing good. So I'm in my kitchen right now, about to make breakfast. It's been raining since I think around 9, somewhere there. It started raining, the thunderstorms, and yeah, I didn't go for work today because I had to finish up a few of my school stuff. I ordered stuff from Blinkit. The bag is a bit great because it's raining, like I said. And I just got some bread, mushroom, and spinach. Anyways, let's do an unboxing quickly. Let me push it back a bit further so that we can do the unboxing for that. So this is a fast delivery company. Yeah, so you can get your groceries. Yeah, your groceries from there. I almost said groceries. Wow. Anyways, yeah, so I got some mushroom. This is the spinach, aka palak. That's what they call it here in India. Just a bunch of it. And bread. This is the bread. This is a bread I eat. It's a brown bread. Okay, everything's good. So we're gonna make breakfast, and I have to get some more groceries today, maybe. But it's raining, so I don't know. If it stops raining in the afternoon, I'll go to the market to go get. I need to go to a pharmacy to get eye drops because my eyes are acting quite weird. And then what else? Maybe get a few groceries that are needed in the house. That's what we are up to. Yeah, let's make breakfast.
Yeah. I'm just in the bus sitting sideways, waiting to looking all the time. Time is a ticking and it takes a toll. Told you I couldn't really draw the line. Line ringing saying that you told him things that you really kept inside. Sidetracking me when I was good to you. You were somebody I would stand behind. I know you like to drink to the sun up, grind till you come up, work all winter, shine all summer. God for your brother, God for your mother, keep that shit a hundred. I know you wanna vacate to a place where you could take pictures, post on Insta. Your friends say they miss you, but they don't really miss you.
Never let a clown nigga try to play you. Okay. If he play you, then who number 2? Okay. Fuck his best friends and make them yes men. Okay.
Good morning, guys. Happy Saturday. So yesterday I didn't do much. I made, according to the plan that I had, I didn't do most of the stuff. Why am I running out of breath? I don't know why, but basically I cleaned the house, made breakfast. I didn't film me cleaning the house, made breakfast, had some drinks, and then the girlies came home, chatting and listening to music, all that vibe, and then slept off. Yeah, so I'm currently outside enjoying the view on my balcony and enjoying the nice breeze, the fresh air that's there, because it's rare for this country to have this clean air in the morning. If you live in India, you know what I mean. It's very rare. My voice is a bit hoarse because it's early in the morning. But anyways, so today is Saturday, and the itinerary for today is I have to be ready by 10 because we're going to watch a movie. Then we'll go to Delhi. I have to text my sister to find out if she'll be home because I need to go meet her to collect a package from my dear sis. And then I don't know what we'll do afterwards. But for now, I need to refill my bottle, do my devotion, or which I'm not going to shoot the part of the devotion because I did that yesterday. And then clean this balcony, bath, and dress up. Yeah. But the view is nice. I wish I could put a table outside here and just enjoy the air. But let's go inside to do that. I'll talk to you guys later.
Hey, niggas ain't gotta respect. Niggas just gotta accept. I put that top left. I love my Cardi to death. Hype Williams, Lil X. If you don't say it direct, give a fuck. Yeah, yeah. I put some ice on her hand. I let her take it in advance. She wasn't going to plan. I put a shit in her hand. When I shoot my shot, it's still go wild way it's going in. Me and Lil Sicko sitting sideways, breaking tents. Used to be an antisocial nigga, now I'm making friends. I just got a mention, not in person, it's a beachfront. If she bringing 4 friends, I know I hit at least one. Got them all 10 and by the pool, and they greased up. Police in my city, man, I keep their pockets greased up. Me and Capo trying to leave my marketplace to Easter. Ain't nobody make it too much money. From Mexico, she knows she got the sweet stuff. Hey, niggas ain't got respect.
Our life and others, we need to introspect those areas. All leaves are those which harm our life, our selfishness, ego, lust, and we can say many aspects of this kind which prevent us from living a happy life. These are the leaves we need to shed off in order to welcome a new life. The process is very tough, but we can't escape. The tree cannot escape this process. Every year this happens during spring season. You see trees shed off those leaves. It is the right time that we introspect our own lives and check how many old leaves are hanging on our lives. We need to allow Jesus to shake us so that these old leaves may fall down. Let us allow Jesus to shake us. In the first reading, my dear brothers and sisters, taken from the book of Ezekiel, he gives the people hope. In the wilderness, they lost hope.
Hey guys, so church was awesome. Currently at Sterling Mall, waiting for FAQS to open so we can have breakfast. Yeah, I'm hungry. It's currently 9:50 and they open at 10. So once they open, we're gonna eat. Yeah. Bye-bye. Hey guys, so I'm currently in Zara and I'm looking for shoes. Yesterday I was in Zara, found something, but there was no size, so I decided to come to the Zara in DLF Mall to check. And if I find something, then well, I'm good. But if I don't find anything, it's a pity. It's a pity. Yeah. Anyways, let's keep looking. I'll talk to you guys later. So guys, here's the weird that happens. We come to a restaurant and they're telling me like I don't use my camera to vlog. Well, I'm using my phone and he's looking at me right now. So it's okay. I'm going to talk a bit, but I'll say exactly what I'm saying. So apparently I'm not allowed to get videos with my camera or even photos with my camera, but I can use my phone. What doesn't make sense? Like people are trying to piss me off today, but anyways, I'm just gonna relax and get the videos with my phone. So the quality is different. I'm using my phone.
The next day.